finding square root by long division method. This is a new method. Again, we have to find square root, but not by prime factorization, by long division method. What do you mean by long division method? Long division means divide करना है, you have to divide, and long means थोड़ा सा लंबा चलेगा division. That is the only mean of long division method. Let us see how we can do. We can find square root by long division method. Suppose I have a number 4489, that is 4489. I need to find out its square root by long division method. How we will do? The first step, when we divide, we make a sign like this. This will be your dividend or the number whose square root you need to find. जिसका square root निकालना है वो number अंदर आता है. That is your dividend. अब the first step, very first step in long division method is you have to make pairs of this number starting from backwards. आपको पीछे से start करके you have to make pair. Like these two numbers are forming a pair. Now these two numbers are forming a pair. So you have to put a bar on each pair. But remember this, याद रखो कि पीछे से start करना है. You have to start from back only, making pairs from back side only, not from the front side. Now what is the next step? We have made two pairs, 89 and 44. Now the first number is 44. You have to find a perfect square which is less than 44. अगर आपको 10 तक भी perfect square याद है, then it will be easier for you. 20 तक नहीं याद कोई बात नहीं, 10 तक याद है तो it is very easier to find out कि किसका square 44 से छोटा होगा. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49. Now 6 square is 36 and 7 square is 49. 44 lies between these two, but 49 is greater than 44. So what we use? We will use 6 square. We will write 6 here and 6 as quotient. 6 into 6 is 36. This is our next step. After making pairs, you have to find a number, a perfect square which is less than this number. Whatever is here, whatever the first pair is, you have to find a number which is less than this. अब जैसे हमारे पास 6 into 6 36 है. Next step. So next step हम subtract करते थे. We need to subtract it. Now 14 minus 6 is 8. So नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? हमारा नेक्स्ट स्टेप डिवीजन में क्या होता था? नेक्स्ट नंबर नीचे आता था, बट यहाँ पे वी हैव मेक पेयर, तो पेयर नीचे आएगा पूरा. व्हाट विल कम डाउन? 89. द होल पेयर विल कम डाउन, नॉट ओनली 8. सिर्फ 8 नहीं आएगा, पूरा नंबर आएगा. अब नाउ व्हाट वी हैव गॉट 889. तो व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होगा? यहाँ पे हम अगेन वी विल डिवाइड बिकॉज इट इज लॉन्ग डिवीजन. हम दोबारा डिवाइड करेंगे, बट यहाँ पे नंबर क्या होगा? किस नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे? ये थोड़ा ध्यान से समझना. यहाँ हमने क्या किया था? वी हैव डन 6 into 6 36. अब फॉर हियर व्हाट वी विल डू? वी विल ऐड दीज टू नंबर. वी विल डू 6 plus 6 that is 12. So we will write 12 here and we will put a dash here. Now what do you mean by this dash? You have to find one such number. आपको एक ऐसा नंबर निकालना है जो अगर हम यहाँ रखते हैं 3, उसको 3 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करें. सेम होना चाहिए यहाँ पे भी ताकि 3 है, जिसका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके जो मल्टीप्लाई करके आंसर आए वो 889 से छोटा हो. सो लेट अस चेक. वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 1. हम 1 से भी स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. लेट इट बी हियर. हम रफ में चेक कर लेते हैं. सपोज 121 into 1. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि ये दोनों नंबर सेम होने चाहिए. यहाँ 1 है तो यहाँ पे भी 1. 12 के बाद जो नंबर लगेगा. 121 इज वेरी स्मॉल, बहुत ही छोटा है 889 से. नाउ लेट अस चेक फॉर नेक्स्ट नंबर. इफ 2 इज हियर वी विल राइट 2 आल्सो हियर. 2 into 2 is 4. 244 अभी भी बहुत छोटा है. तो बिकॉज हियर इट इज 100 एंड इट इज 800, लेट अस गेस कि 5 से भी बड़ा होगा. टेक 6. 6 into 6 is 36. What we have got 3 here, 15 and 1 here, 756. अभी भी it is smaller than 889. Let us go to the other number 7. So 7 into 7, 49. 14 plus 4 is 18 and it is 8. 889. We have got the same number. So what number we should put here? We will put here 7 and 7 here. 127 into 7 is 889. Now we will subtract it, and what we have got? 0. So what is the square root of 4489? It is 67. This way you will find the square root by long division method. Let us revise it once again. You have to start from backward and make the pairs of the numbers. Pairs बनाने हैं सबसे पहला काम, पीछे से स्टार्ट करके. Then जो आपके पास फर्स्ट टू नंबर या सिंगल नंबर आएगा, जो भी रहेगा, उससे छोटा एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ढूंढना है. We have got it. 6 into 6 36. नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी डू, जब इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो नेक्स्ट पेयर पूरा नीचे उतरेगा. देन अगेन व्हाट, here we have multiplied 6 into 6. For question for divisor we will add 6 plus 6 12, or again we will put 2 dash here. That is, you have to find a number. एक ऐसा नंबर फाइंड करना है जो दोनों तरफ सेम हो और जिसको मल्टीप्लाई करने पे इससे छोटा नंबर आए. तो we have found that when we multiply 127 by 7, see these two numbers are same, 7 here and 7 here, then the answer is 889. And we have got no remainder or zero remainder here. So our square root of 4489 is 60. Now let us take another example of finding square root by long division method. But this time I will take a number, say 576, which has odd number of digits. It has 3 digits. So how to find its square root? Let us check. What was our first step? We need to make pairs starting from digit at ones place or starting from backwards. From this side we need to make pairs. हमें pairs बनाने होते हैं. So let us make pairs. First pair will be these two numbers. So 1 bar will come here. Now this 5 is left alone. ये अकेला रह गया 5. We will also put a bar here. We have to consider it as single number and these two as combined. This is the meaning of putting bars. So this is the only change in number having odd number of digits. आपके पास एक पेयर बनेगा और एक सिंगल नंबर आएगा. So you will put a bar above this also. Now what was the next step? You have to find a perfect square which is less than or equal to this 5, जो इस 5 के equal हो या छोटा उससे. So what is that? You know 2 into 2, 2 square is 4. So we will write here 3 square is 9. That will become much bigger than 5. So we will write 2 into 2, 4 here. In the next step, we will subtract this. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now we will bring this pair 76 down, and what will be our number? 176. Here the divisor will also change. Divisor में क्या करते थे हम? We need to add this number. 2 plus 2 करते थे हम 4, and then we put a dash here. Now we need to find a number such that, say if we find 3, same number should come here. We will write 3 here and multiply by 3 only. We cannot write 3 here and multiply by 4. We have to find a number which should be same at both these places. So if we put 1, if we start from 1, so 41 into 1 will be a 2-digit number. 42 into 2 will be 84, again a 2-digit number. But we need a 3-digit number. That is why I have written 3. Let us start with 3. So 3 into 3 is 9. 3 into 4 is 12. Now 129 is much smaller than 176. अभी भी बहुत छोटा है. So let us move forward to 4. Let us check for the other number. 4 into 4 is 16. Again 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1, 17. So what we have got here? 176, same number, by multiplying 44 by 4. So this way our square root of 576 by long division method is 24. This is your answer. And in a similar way, as we have done square root by long division method of two numbers, one with odd digits and one with even number of digits, you can do all the questions, all the parts of question 1 of exercise 6.4.